Proverbs 18:22, he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. You looking at me? I know. I'm gonna take a big drink. You don't want the donut? Hold on, I can't hold it. All right. Can I taste it? Oh, Chunk. Come. Say thank you. I'm doing like a little Dunkin. Come. Come. Look. Night, night. Night, night. Yeah. That's the only thing with this. It doesn't balance. Okay, look. Oh, this is going to look. Ooh. What? Who's this? Okay, thank you. Wow, must be nice. Say thank you. Thank you. She's saying it inside. Hey. Okay, my love. Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow. Yes. Okay. Y'all enjoy your night. Thank you. Since you don't want to eat it. Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Good job. Thank you so much. Come on, chunky, 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 chunk. Chunka, chunky, chunky, chunk. Hey. Ooh, look at the little lady. The little Dunkin' baby. Oh, be careful with the Cool Whip. Yes, I see you. Okay, I see you. Let's get my baby. Oh, no, you see the doggy? What? You see the doggy? I know. Look at him. All right, give mommy a hand. Come on. Good job. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're just having a little nature walk to the lake. Okay. Say hey, gorgeous. Say hi. My little sweetheart. Okay. So what y'all been doing? How y'all doing? Hey girl, hey. What's happening? Well, let's have a talk. Okay, that's the lake. See? Let me show you. See, we gotta go all the way around. It's up there. Right there. So it's some deers out here. Bambi. I'm gonna put it in the footage, but hey, look at you. How you doing? How cute. Hi, honey. How you doing? Oh, scared me. I said, oh, not. So I've been seeing a lot of remote work from home. Like, how do y'all feel about that? I love it because I could travel and go all over the freaking place. I'm about to, after my vacation, I want to go someplace else. So I want to go to Hawaii. Has anyone went there? Leave it in the comments below. Oh my gosh, look at the sky. It's so gorgeous and blue. Oh, thank you. Isn't that nice? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, look at this. The only time I remember seeing graffiti for real, no lie, is in Brooklyn or New York. Or remember when I went on, if y'all look at my video, remember when I went on the trip to my doctor and I took y'all along with me for that ride and I recorded? Oh my goodness, that was insane. So let's have this. So you know what I hate? Let's just have a little talk. I hate like feeling like, you know, when you need something and you ask people to help you. I hate feeling like I'm begging like people to do stuff. Like for me, I just hate it. That's all right. Lay back, baby, because it's hot. Lay back. I just sprayed you with the sunscreen. Come on. No, not right now. Wait until we get there. So I hate that. Anyway, look at all these trees. Let's take a little moment and, you know, give Mother Nature some glory, appreciation. Thank you. Thank you, angel. Thank you. Thank you for the fresh air. Thank you for the beauty. Thank you. Look at this. This is gorgeous. What is happening? How pretty is this, right? Look at this. Look at what I'm bringing to y'all. Y'all so lucky. Whoever's on my channel, I thank y'all. I thank you for coming, visiting, you know, donating, sending your positive energy. Look at the sun. Wow, that's gorgeous. And, you know, just being here, being a part of my journey. It's been a long one and I'm still going. But I chose this, you know. I chose to do this, be a part of this, whatever, and feel this. So, like in my last video, remember, well, one of my second last, I was basically talking about our purpose, right? So, you know, God basically created you. You know how God created all of us equal. So, I mean, yeah, created all of us in his image, not equal. So we all different, but we all supposed to experience different. So he experiences life through us. Did you know that? So it's us basically in this game, and he basically put so much different scenarios for us to play out how our life could go. And that's why we have free will. That's why when these evil, sinister people come here and they try to come against us, basically God worshipers, that's what it is. It's like good and evil, but they don't tell you that. So that's still out. So when you good, evil attacks you. Duh. That's why you have good and bad people. So they come and they try to throw you off your path so that to see if your faith is strong. Like how strong is your faith? I'm sorry, I'm out of breath because this walk. Woo, child. Woo. Anyway, that's what it is basically. So, you know what I'm saying? It's a fight between you and the demons. And we all have demons inside of us. That's why basically we have to overcome it, and we have to go through the different struggles. We have to go through it. If you don't go through it, you repeat it. Obviously, you just look different when you do. You come in a different body, a different vessel, and you repeat it. That's why it's called generational curses, generational cycles, blah, blah, blah. But I'm so happy that my bloodline is clean, hunty. Woo, Lord of mercy. I don't have to deal with that. My kids don't got to deal with that. None of that narcissistic garbage. Because I am the whistleblower. Hello. That's what I came to do. And I blew the whistle. Blow the whistle. Whoop. So, see, we almost there. Oh, ooh, they having a little music, a little party. So, anyway, I just want to tell y'all that. That's what this life is all about. So, y'all have to live it. That's why they say, tomorrow's not promised. Live your life. Live it. Don't live it for nobody else but yourself. Don't even live it for your kids. Because your kids, they come out with their own destiny. Don't matter how you think that you affect it. Yes, you affect it by the negative things you do. When you positively encourage them and let them be themselves and do whatever you do, and don't try to force nothing on them, and let them enjoy their youth, and their creativity and express themselves, then you're basically the light. You know what I mean? That's what you're there for. You're there to guide them. Because you already went through stuff. So why would you want your kids to go through it? That's the whole point. Oh, no. Oh, they have a little concert. Uh-oh. So I'm going to have to do a voiceover. Because I don't want YouTube to be copyrighting me. She over there trying to sing. Anyway, let's just take it in. Hey girl, hey. Look at this tree. Let me go hug a tree. I had to turn the camera around. Look at how big this tree is. Look at it. Yes. Do y'all have trees? Oh, I'm a tree hugger. Yes. Oh. And so is my chunky chunk. Come on. Come on. Good job. See? You gotta teach them early. Nice. Good girl. There we go. See? Raise your vibration. Good girl. Yay. All right. We continue our walk. See? We out here. Look at the lake. We about to go say some prayers. About to give gratitude. We about to, you know what I'm saying, give back to the earth. So basically, I try to do this every Friday or Saturday. Friday is cleanse day. Saturday is, you know, release day. And, you know, oh, look at this tree. Oh, it's gorgeous. That's a nice tree. Ooh, my skin is just sun-kissed, hunty. So that's basically what we do. So what do y'all do? Like, what kind of meditation do y'all do? I see a lot of guided meditations. I see a lot of wealth meditations. I'm seeing a lot of repetitive things. But, you know, I'm original. I'm not copying nobody. That's why I continue to do what I'm doing, because nobody can stop me, like, from my natural essence. Like, that's not going to happen. That's what people try to do. They try to change you. Come. People are running. Come on. Go over here. Go right there on the little walkway. Right here, this way. Walk this way. Here. Right, see? You got, right, see? You got to be careful.